Hello, I'm Hieu, a criminal defense attorney in Orange County. If you have a past conviction that's affecting your future, you might be eligible for an expungement under California Penal Code Section 1203.4. This legal process can set aside your conviction, allowing you to move forward with a clean slate. There are some things affect eligibility. Some of these things can include whether or not you've completed probation. You must have successfully completed all terms of your probation without any violations. You should have no current legal issues. You should not have any ongoing criminal cases or be serving a sentence for another offense. There are also certain things that can make you ineligible. There are certain offenses, some serious crimes, particularly certain sex offenses involving minors, are not eligible for expungement. In addition to this, state prison sentences also makes things complicated. If you serve time in state prison, expungement might not be an option. However, recent legal changes may provide alternatives. During the expungement process, you should consult an attorney. Navigating the expungement process can be complex. An experienced attorney can guide you through the necessary steps and paperwork. You need to file a petition. Your attorney will help you file a petition for dismissal in the court where you were convicted. A judge will evaluate your case to determine if granted expungement serves the interest of justice. If approved, your conviction is dismissed and you are released from many penalties associated with it. There are also many benefits as well to this. As far as employment opportunities goes, you can legally state that you haven't been convicted of the expunged offense in most job applications. It may improve your chances of obtaining certain professional licenses. On top of that, an expungement can provide a sense of disclosure. Scratch that. On top of that, an expungement can provide a sense of closure and a fresh start. There are important things to consider. For disclosure, for government jobs or positions requiring security clearance, you may still need to disclose the expunged conviction. Expungement does not automatically restore firearm rights. It does not terminate the obligation to register as a sex offender if applicable. If you're considering an expungement, it's crucial to consult with a knowledgeable attorney to assess your eligibility and navigate the process effectively. At my office, we handle lots of these cases. We help people and individuals clear their criminal records and reclaim their futures. Thank you for watching. I'm Hieu, and I'm here to assist you on your path to a brighter future.